In this video, I will show you how to change or customize your myshopify.com domain. To do this, you can open up Shopify and go to settings in the bottom left. From there, you want to go to domains, which you will find right here. Now you will see the current domain you have here. What you can do is click change myshopify.com domain. You will have one domain change remaining after this update, so you can do this twice. Here, just enter a domain. Now it needs to be available, so you can try your brand name, but most of them won't be available. But if I add, for example, scopes 1, then it is available. So you can click add domain, and it then updates your domain to this myshopify.com domain. You can also connect a fully custom domain by going to connect existing and then connecting your domain right here. But that's only if you already have a domain. If you don't have a domain, you can also buy a new domain by clicking on buy new domain and entering the domain you want to buy right here. So that's how to change the myshopify.com domain. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.